G'day folks, and welcome back to Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Firstly, I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm pretty stoked about how high I'm getting already, and thanks for following me. Also, I hope that everyone's staying safe and looking after each other under these times where we're all going to be stuck at home and in full lockdown. But I've been cleaning up around the bench and getting everything sorted there. My health hasn't been too good, so I haven't been able to finish a few projects, but I'm getting back into it now. But what I'm doing here is actually cleaning up, and I found a couple of boxes of mine of some of my nice stuff that I've had stashed. So I've whacked up a couple of new shelves. So I'll just sort of share this little unboxing video, which is there's one of them there. Paramedic van, US. Sorry guys, yeah, I forget now. Yeah, Hong Kong original. Anyway, most of you guys that collect all these here know what these are. That's the paramedic ambulance. I've got another one over there, but this one here I've got us in way better shape than that. And this is just one of my boxes that I've come across that's been stashed, and then we've got the all metal version of the military truck. You would have seen that in the Hotwheels collectible unit. I'll say it like that, I guess. I've got little shelves that I'll be putting them all up into on here. And another one of my little favourites. Real Riders, all steel, little tea bucket. See, nice little unit. These are all in mint condition, all of these by the way. It's going to roll off and crash and not turn into mint condition. And there's another little beastie there. I might just zoom in a little bit closer so you can see it a bit better. Yeah, this is just some of my. I've got heaps of other vintage stuff there, but it's just a matter of time of putting up shelves and all that sort of stuff there. Little Ford Anglia, little Perler. This one got the tilt front. I can't remember, I've got that many of them. I think it does pop up one way or the other. Should do, it's just a bit stiff, never been used. It does flip up, but anyway, it's a bit tight. Put that beast in there. It's a little Anglia wagon. It's a little beastie. Nice little unit. And we've got some of these other ones. The old Fairmont, Hong Kong, Hotwheels, front running, yep, put that there. It's in mint condition too, that little job. There's another one there. What else have we got stashed here? Another one. Forget the name of this one here, but you guys will know the name of this one. Other U-Bit hotties, Hot Wheels ones. Feel free in the comments to let me know at the moment. My head's not in the right space at the minute. We'll all get there at the end of the day. And there's a 1937 Bugatti. Little beast. So yeah, I hope you're all... Oh, one I've lost the headlight off that one. That's a bugger. That'll be somewhere. I don't know what happened there. In the meantime, I hope you're all taking care and just finding heaps of things to do around. Plenty of projects around home I'm getting to find, I guess, of course. Nice Rolls Royce, all steel as well. Look out, I'll be rolling off the bench in a minute. Some nice old machines. The nice old Mustang, 1964 Mustang, convertible, all steel. Oh, hood opens up on this one. White wall tyres. Yeah, pretty cool. Haven't seen a lot of these for a long time at all. Yeah. Another old vintage 1935 classic Cadillac, all metal. I'll put him onto there. Hope everyone can see alright and everything else there. Just give him a little spin so he just keeps motoring around. Yeah, I've been busy trying to sort out my room, make it work a lot easier and all that for us. This is greased gremlin. The Hot Wheels there. This is all, there's just a little bump around like there. If you've seen that around at all in there, pretty cool. Also some of my hot rod ones I've seen. I think it's the 1931 doozy. 1931 doozy. That's a doozy a lot. Perler. Right. Yeah, one of my favourite colour schemes on one of these old hot rods. They are. Auburn. Auburn 852. Auburn 852. Looks pretty hot in the yellow and the black. Pretty good. Pretty cool. Oh, there's another. Got a couple of that one of that before. Yeah, there we go. Another 1937 Big Eddie, except for this one's got all of its lights. One of the corners is a little bit faded, the chrome. That's bizarre. Same as one of the headlights on the other one there, all the chrome's gone off it. That's weird. These are all Hot Wheels, of course. And we've got the fuel tanker. Old International fuel tanker. Looks like an International. Someone will correct me if I'm wrong. Pretty sure it is. This is just one of the boxes that I came across. Little Esky race cams van, racing cams, 1mm as well. Nice little unit. It's got some weight to it, that one, I tell you. Yeah, by now, if you're seeing this one here, seeing this here, our 100 subscriber video would have been up by now. So don't forget to go and check that out, the 100 subscriber, and to subscribe and check it out and comment and share and whatever else there, and go into the draw there to win some wheel kits. We're going to, you see the wheel kits in that other one there is another Ford rod. Nice little beast. Then we've got this little truck here, which is extremely collectible, extremely hard to find, and in mint condition and not messed with or anything else there. It's one of my favourite little trucks. Except for somehow the back door's been broken on it now. Got no idea how that happened. I'll endeavour to sort that bit out. But no, it's alright. It's all clipped back in. It's alright. Good. All done job. I would have seen these around in your day from machines. Yeah, so don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let us know which one you like the best out of these. We've got them all packed up there. We've got quite a few more. We've got a Mercedes 540k. The old Pennzoil truck's pretty cool. Then we've got a Mercedes-Benz 540k. And the red and the tan and the white walls and all there. All pretty cool. Alright. And, oh well, been looking for this for ages. This old metal. Weighs a ton. And they end up getting this here because my mates were working out in the mines in Hong Kong. Old Caterpillar. Gone from hot rods to massive dump trucks to and there she is there. It's a Hot Wheels one, that too. Not a Matchbox or anything. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll be back again with some more videos, and we'll get those other ones where we've got part 1 and all that sort of stuff there. We're getting part 2s on the way. Alright, thanks for guys. Take care, stay safe.